In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your LinkedIn account. Verifying your LinkedIn account is an essential step to increase your credibility and showcase your authenticity to your professional network. So let's dive right into the process and make it as straightforward as possible. First things first, you'll need to log in to your LinkedIn account. If you're not logged in already, simply enter your credentials and get into your account. Once you're in, it's time to navigate to your profile. You can do this easily by clicking on your profile icon or the Me icon at the top of the page. It's important you access your profile to proceed with the verification. Now that you're viewing your profile, look for the option to add a verification badge. It's typically visible right there on your profile page. Clicking this will redirect you to a new window where LinkedIn will guide you through using your mobile device for verification. You might be wondering why a mobile device is recommended. Well, it's considered much easier and more efficient for this particular process. To continue, ensure you have the LinkedIn app installed on your smartphone. If you haven't downloaded it yet, this is a great moment to do so as it's required for the verification process. With the app ready on your phone, you'll soon notice a QR code displayed in this new window. Here's what you need to do. Grab your smartphone and open the camera app. Point the camera at the QR code shown on your computer screen. Most modern smartphones can automatically recognize QR codes through their camera apps, but if yours seems a bit uncooperative, check your settings or use a dedicated QR code reader app. Once the QR code is scanned, your phone will guide you through the final steps. Just follow the instructions on your screen. You'll be led into a verification process via Persona, which is LinkedIn's trusted partner for verifying identities. Make sure you carefully follow each step to ensure a smooth verification process. After completing all the steps on your device, sit tight as this page will automatically update once your verification is successful. You should see a notification or an update on your LinkedIn profile confirming that your account is now verified. And that's it. You've successfully verified your LinkedIn account, which will help enhance your professional credibility and trustworthiness among your connections. I hope this guide has been helpful and that verifying your account now feels like a breeze. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Thank you for watching and happy networking on LinkedIn.